What's up, everybody? It's Foxy Bulldogs. Alright, I'm hoping the sound is working now. I realized I had the mic, it had a red circle on it, and now it has a green one, so I don't think there's sound. The last three didn't have sound on it. That is on me. I didn't realize what I had done. But I think we're back. It has green. Green means good, I think. We had a hell of a game. So I don't want to mess this up and not have the sound be on. Hell of a game. You're looking at the correct score. It is 104 to 102. I think I picked the Aces to win this game, but no defense was being played. There was just no defense. Both teams got 100 points. I think this is the first time both teams have had 100 points in a game this season. So Valkyries fall 10-10, 3-7 on the road, and the Aces get their 10th win of the season, 10-11, 6-4 at home. There's a lot of people who are around the 10-10, 500 mark here. Crazy game. Everyone was scoring, especially Asia Wilson in her return this game. Valkyries, you can see all the starters. Everybody scored who played for the Valkyries. Everybody scored. All the stars in double figures. 10-9 for Kayla Thornton. 16 for Hayes Salaun. Led the team. Tied leading the team with Tiffany Hayes. Tiffany Hayes with 16 as well. Temi Fagbenle with 13, 11, and 8 assists for Veronica Burton. And I'm seeing 12 points for Cecilia Santalicini off the bench. Caitlin Shen had 3. Carly Leet had 6. 8 for Kate Martin. 2 for Amma here. 5 for Monique Billings, who I did just pick up in fantasy. Hope she plays a little more. But yeah, no, everyone was eating. I think I didn't, the highlights they showed me, it didn't see how the game ended. I did see a video. If we just look at the videos. I don't know how it ended. Let me just go play by play. Did it end in free throws? And shout out Megan. Oh, we didn't talk about it. Did it end in free throws? Timeout. Kayla Thornton makes 2-point shot. There was a review. So there was a Kayla Thornton game winner? No, not at all. I'm sorry, because they were 102. They were up. Jackie Young free throws. Alright, so a lot of reviews. So I think the refs got involved a little bit here. Who's to say? I didn't watch the game. Who's to say? Came down to the wire. And Asia Wilson, but again, Asia Wilson was just too much. It was too much. 34 points, 12 of 16, 9 of 12, 1 of 1, 34 points, 16 rebounds, 4 assists, 1 steal, 2 blocks, 0 turnovers. Are you kidding me? Are you freaking kidding me? And another 30 burger for Jackie Young, 30 points, 6 assists, 11 from the line is crazy. 9 with 4, Dana Evans with 8, 5 for Megan Gustafson, who I believe this might be her first game back, so it's good to see her back. Ace is getting healthy a little bit here. 15 for Jewel Lloyd, 6 and 6 for Chelsea Gray. I mean, this game was crazy. 104 to 102. Come on now. Checking in with 36.5. That's tough. Take away 15. That's still 21. Pretty good. That's pretty good. And I didn't have anyone from this game. So what's the final? This was a closer day. Of the 12th. 78 to 75.5. So I did lose. So it was 0-1, 0-2, 0-3, 1-3. 1-4, 1-5. I'm 1-5. Terrible. And then this one I had nobody again. I was playing against Dana Evans at 11, and then that was it. So 50-0. It was still a loss for me because I had no points. To 50.5. 1-0, 1-1, 1-2, 1-3, 2-3. Now I'm 2-4. Terrible. Not great. Hopefully the sound is working on this video, guys. Sorry about that. I was being a goofball. When you just click and your thumbs just click and you get it. But yeah, no, crazy game. Aces win. Get to 10 wins on the season. 10-11. Valkyries are 10-10. Both teams around 500. Hover around 500, about the same. So what are you gonna do? I'm gonna go to bed. Got more games. I still gotta catch up. This was on the 12th. So I have the 13th and the 14th, and then the games today. So I'm catching up. I'm getting there. But gotta go to the office tomorrow. So that's what we gotta do.